Hey guys, Tommy Olsson here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a contact page using Divi and Influx Plus. So first you gotta go down to see that Divi is activated, and then you go to Pages and clicking on Create New Page. You click on Add New. And then you need to click on Use the Divi Builder. Then we're going to choose a pre-made layout by clicking here, Browse Layouts. I'm going to preview this pack. Then I'm going to click on the contact page. Then we click on Use this layout. Now I'm going to remove modules that I don't need. And now I'm going to start to customize this page. I click on Design. Advanced. Position. You can change the background color. Not that one. Maybe white. Like that. Here you can edit your contact info. You can go to Design and into the box shadow. Like so. Have a box shadow with red, for instance, and then just save it. Once I've done with editing the form, I need to go to the contact form setting to fill in the email address people will send their questions to. You go to email and enter the email address you use for your business. Then you click on this when you're done. Then you just save your settings, save your work. So there you have it. That's how to create a contact page with Divi Builder and Influx Plus. If you want to get started for free building any website of your choice, then click the link below for a 14-day free trial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.